Buying the wrong drawing tablet can waste your time and money. The problem is simple. Specs don't show how a tablet feels when you actually use it, and that's where most people make mistakes. So in this video, I will show you the top 5 best drawing tablets based on performance, features, and value for money. Make sure you watch this video till the end because the #1 pick might surprise you. As always, all the product links are in the description below, so let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch. While this might surprise some people, the iPad Pro still earns a place here because of just how powerful and versatile it has become for digital artists. Powered by the new M5 chip, which delivers serious performance for creative work, if you're sketching in Procreate, working with layered illustrations, or even handling 3D assets, the iPad feels extremely fast and responsive. Apple also adds neural accelerators, which help with AI-based features and future creative tools built into iPadOS. The 13-inch Ultra Retina XDR display is one of the best screens you can draw on. It's incredibly bright, razor sharp, and color accurate with full P3 wide color support. The ProMotion 120Hz refresh rate makes every pen stroke feel smooth and natural with almost no visible lag. If you go for the higher storage models, you can even get nano texture glass to reduce glare while drawing. For artists, the real magic comes from Apple Pencil Pro support. You get pixel-perfect precision, ultra-low latency, tilt sensitivity, and excellent palm rejection. Drawing, shading, and line work feel extremely natural. Portability is another major advantage. The iPad Pro is thin, lightweight, and offers all-day battery life, so you can draw, edit, and create anywhere without feeling tied to a desk. However, there are a few clear downsides. It's still limited by iPadOS, so some professional desktop software isn't available, and accessories like the Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard are sold separately, which increases the total cost. Priced at around $1,189 on Amazon, the iPad Pro 13-inch isn't the cheapest option on this list. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes like Temu, Hostinger, and AliExpress, visit our website, couponoffer.net. At number 4 on our list is the Xencelabs Pen Display 24 Plus, a professional drawing display. Right from the first stroke, the drawing surface stands out. The etched glass gives a very natural pen-on-paper feel, and the optically bonded display keeps parallax extremely low, and the Super AG coating also reduces reflections, so you can work comfortably even in bright rooms. Xencelabs refined the pressure curve with feedback from over 100 professional artists. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it handles light sketching and heavy brush strokes equally well, resulting in strokes that feel smooth and consistent. The 23.8-inch 4K UHD display is extremely sharp and supports over 1.07 billion colors. With Calman-ready support, you can hardware calibrate the display for accurate colors. The display uses a fanless cooling design, so it stays silent and cool during long sessions. There are no buttons on the screen itself, keeping your hand movement uninterrupted. The included stand lets you adjust the angle from 16 to 72 degrees, helping you maintain a natural and strain-free posture. Xencelabs also includes their Quick Keys remote, which speeds up workflow a lot. The OLED screen shows your shortcuts, and you get up to 44 customizable shortcuts per app, with automatic switching based on the software you're using. You also get 2 battery-free pens in the box. Both include erasers and customizable buttons. Now the downsides. The Xencelabs Pen Display offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, while others go up to 16,384 levels. And at around $1,899 on Amazon, it's a premium investment. Still, if you're a serious digital artist who wants top-tier color accuracy, the Xencelabs Pen Display 24 Plus fully deserves the number 4 spot on our list. At the 3rd spot on our list, we have the HUION KAMVAS Pro 24 Gen 3, which delivers excellent pen performance and color accuracy without the high price of true flagship models. You get a large 23.8-inch 4K UHD display with slim bezels, giving you a big immersive canvas for illustration, animation, and detailed design work. The screen looks very sharp, and Canvas Glass 3.0 reflections are reduced while keeping a natural paper-like drawing feel without heavy grain. This tablet really shines in pen performance. With PenTech 4.0, HUION offers 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is double what many competitors provide. The pen activates with just 2 grams of force, and reduced tip retraction makes strokes feel solid, precise, and extremely responsive. Color performance is another strong point. Using quantum dot technology, the display supports 1 billion colors and covers 99% Adobe RGB, 98% DCI P3, and 98% Display P3. Each unit is factory calibrated with Delta E under 1, so colors look accurate straight out of the box. HUION also includes multi-touch support, letting you zoom, rotate, and navigate your canvas with natural gestures. The tablet has top-mounted ports for cleaner cable management, better heat control, and flexible stand options for comfortable posture during extended use. Now, the downsides. This is not a standalone device. You must connect it to a PC, Mac, or supported Android device. Also, while the hardware is excellent, HUION software is still not as refined as Wacom's, especially in complex multi-monitor setups. Priced at around $1,399 on Amazon, it's a great option for serious digital artists who want near professional results without paying Wacom level prices. At the second spot on our list, we have the XPPen Artist Pro 24 Gen 2. It comes with a large 23.8-inch 4K UHD display, giving you a large, ultra-sharp canvas that's perfect for illustration, animation, 3D work, and game design. The high resolution makes lines look clean and precise, and the large screen gives you plenty of space to work comfortably without feeling cramped. The display is Kalman verified with Delta E under 1, covering 99% Adobe RGB, 99% sRGB, and 98% DCI P3. It also supports over 1 billion colors, making it a great choice for artists who need reliable color for professional artwork. Pen performance is equally impressive. XPPen includes 2 X3 Pro styluses, each offering 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt support. The slim stylus is lightweight and great for detailed line work, while the second stylus feels more like a traditional pen and includes shortcut buttons and an eraser. This gives you flexibility depending on how you like to draw. The drawing experience feels natural thanks to the fully laminated display with AG etched glass, which reduces glare, minimizes fingerprints, and keeps parallax extremely low. Strokes feel controlled and predictable. XPPen also includes the ACK05 wireless shortcut remote with customizable buttons and a physical dial. It's very useful for speeding up your workflow and reducing keyboard use. For comfort, the included stand lets you adjust the angle from 16 to 72 degrees with one hand, and there's also VESA support if you want to use a monitor arm. And remember, this is not a standalone tablet, so you'll need to connect it to a PC, Mac, or supported Android device. Priced at around $954 on Amazon, the XPPen Artist Pro gives you professional-grade performance at a more affordable price. At the top of our list, we have the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24, and it's still the gold standard for professional drawing displays. The large 24-inch 4K display gives you a huge, clean canvas to work on. You spend less time zooming, moving panels, or switching windows, and more time actually creating your art. The 4K resolution is paired with exceptional color accuracy, covering 99% of Adobe RGB, which makes it ideal for high-end illustration, concept art, animation, photo retouching, and print-critical workflows. Every detail looks sharp, consistent, and reliable. The etched glass screen gives a natural pen-on-paper feel while keeping parallax extremely low. Your pen tip stays exactly where the cursor is, even near the edges, which makes drawing feel very stable and confident. Wacom's Pro Pen technology offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity with industry-best tilt recognition, delivering unmatched control and accuracy. The pen response feels immediate, smooth, and predictable, especially for artists. Productivity is another strong point. The Express Key remote gives you 17 programmable buttons, and combined with radial menus and multi-touch gestures, you can pan, zoom, rotate, and customize your workflow exactly to your style. You can connect to a Mac or PC using USB-C or use DisplayPort or HDMI if needed. This makes it easy to fit into almost any studio setup. Ergonomics is also a big plus. With optional accessories like the Wacom Ergo Stand or Flex Arm, you can tilt, raise, rotate, or float the display, turning it into a comfortable drafting table style workstation. Now, the downsides. It's also very expensive. And while the pressure level number looks lower than competitors, Wacom's consistency and control still set the industry standard. Priced at around $2,199 on Amazon, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 is not for casual users. But for professionals who want maximum accuracy, stability, and long-term reliability, it confidently takes the #1 spot on our list. Now, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I will reply to your comments. And hey, I put a lot of effort into this video to help you pick the right drawing tablet. So if it helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. All the Amazon links with the latest pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.